Bill and Jim have been friends for a long time when they decided to go into business together. They rented 20,000 square feet in an industrial strip park and filled it with respectable, reliable equipment, thinking it would last them for years. Their product was good, their service was even better, and word spread quickly. Growth followed. More room, more machines, and more people. Like many small woodworking businesses, their shop's dust collection setup started simple. A bag house with plastic bags inside the building was fine in the beginning. At that stage, a bag change once a day was manageable. But as Bill and Jim grew, so did the dust and waste. Their machinery dealers introduced them to CNC routers and other advanced equipment, machines that promised to minimize labor and maximize output. And while the collectors could handle the air volume, the waste handling side quickly became the problem. Doubling the machines didn't just double the product, it doubled the waste. That meant the bag change they once did at the end of the day now had to be done twice a day. Each change took 30 minutes, shutting down the very CNC that was supposed to double their output. Instead of a 100% gain, they were getting less than 87%. If you work 250 days a year, it means you're losing 35 days of productivity. Every lost hour of production was money flying out the door. Scaling up the dust collection wasn't simple. A large outside collector with continuous discharge wasn't in their budget, nor would the landlord or local ordinances allow it. And with a move clearly on the horizon, sinking money into a permanent system didn't make sense. Adding more collectors would eat up floor space and add another layer of maintenance. That's when their machinery rep told them about the US Duct Separator. The separator could remove up to 90% of the waste before it even reached the collector, discharging it into easy-to-change dumpsters. With airlocks and outside dumpsters, depending on local codes, dust can be routed through a separator and airlock into an outside dumpster while the clean air returns indoors, eliminating waste handling interruptions entirely. Suddenly, the CNC could keep running. Personnel could stay on task. The collector's bags now only needed to be emptied once a week instead of daily. And most importantly, Bill and Jim's investment in advanced machinery was no longer being held back by their dust collection system. The principle is the same whether you're a small shop or a large facility. Small shops can avoid downtime that chokes growth. Large shops can keep dozens of machines producing without costly stoppages. Separators, hoppers, and airlock scale with your production, not against it. Dust collection shouldn't be the bottleneck in your business. It should be the system that keeps everything else moving. Big system advantages in a small package.